Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will be talking about how to get Valorant tracker overlay in game. So first we go to the Valorant tracker website, click on get the app and then press Valorant tracker. Now click on download now and select a directory where the download should go. Now go to the directory, right click on the installer and press run. Now click next. Here you can select the destination where the installation folder will go. Now accept and click on next. You can also install the Outplayed app. Now click on next as well. Now the download should start. After the download is done, launch tracker. After the tracker has opened, click on next and finish. And here you will see all the necessary settings you need. The most important is overlay, which should be enabled by default. Now we will launch Valorant. In Valorant, we'll get into a game. And after getting into the game, we will see the Valorant tracker has appeared. And the overlay is showing the stats of each of the players and your top agent stat as well. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.